Hello and welcome. Today in this video, we're going to be discussing ways to find answers and get assistance when using Tekla Structures. Specifically, we'll take a look at some of the native help features and tools found inside Tekla Structures. Next, we'll take a look at the Tekla Discussion Forums and how to best utilize them. So now, let's begin. There are a few common issues that users run into when using Tekla Structures. 1. They don't know if Tekla can do something. 2. They may not know how to go about accomplishing a certain task. Or 3. They receive an unexpected or incorrect result based on their input. When trying to troubleshoot these areas of concern, users can use what is at their fingertips to uncover some of the answers they may be seeking. And taking just a little time to look before contacting the support team can often result in more immediate answers or resolutions. If you're unsure if Tekla has a particular feature or tool, there are a few ways to find out. First, you can utilize the quick launch field at the upper right corner of Tekla. Here, you can search for terms or tools and Tekla will highlight the results for you right in the user interface. If you're unsure what a tool or component actually does, there's also some quick ways to help you find out. The tools and the ribbons and menus all have tooltips associated with them. Hovering your cursor over the icon or the name will produce a pop-up describing its function. If you need more information, you can always press the Ctrl and F1 key on your keyboard while the tooltip is present to directly open the Tekla User Assistance webpage dedicated to that tool. In addition to tooltips, we introduced the instructor to the side pane in Tekla Structures version 2021. The instructor provides contextual information about the tool or component you have just activated. In most cases, there's an image or a moving graphic illustrating the use of the tool, as well as links to other resources about that tool that may be of use to you. Many functions in Tekla also require multiple inputs, and these are often found in the form of components or extensions, and are located in the Applications and Components side pane. Users can browse or search the Applications and Components side pane for specific tools. Many components may not have tooltips, but they do have a native help button usually located at the top right of the tool dialog. Click it and this will also take you to the TUA page for that component or extension. Now, if you don't find what you're looking for, remember to check the Tekla Warehouse. You can always get to the warehouse right from Tekla Structures if you navigate to the File menu and then Extend. Not all extensions come installed with your environment, and there may be many useful tools found on the warehouse for users to download and install. They may even answer some of your questions or resolve an issue. Lastly, there is the Help menu for other types of assistance and inquiries. Tekla also makes it really easy to find assistance either online or via our support team right from within the software. Simply navigate to File and then Help, and you'll have direct links to our Tekla User Assistance webpage, the Tekla Discussion Forums, as well as a submission form for contacting Tekla support directly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Discussion Forums. The forums are a website where users can have discussion with other Tekla users and moderators. You can post and reply to questions on issues, best practices, and even provide feedback on certain features. Discussion forums also serve as an avenue for sharing ideas, wishes, and feature requests. Users can browse or search topics related to their interests or concern. This is an excellent way to find out what other users are doing for certain tasks, how they are overcoming certain struggles, or even sharing best practices or links to resources that's helped everyone else's workflows. The Tekla Discussion Forums are an excellent place to look for answers to questions you may have and connect with those other users. Keep in mind that not all questions have a discussion thread. If this is the case about your particular question or suggestion, it's encouraged that you post it for the community to discuss. This not only helps you get your answers, but it also helps other users in the future who have the same or similar questions. Keep in mind, though, that responses on the forums may not be immediate, and they are best suited for non-critical issues that don't have to be resolved right away. If you have a time-sensitive question or issue, the Tekla User Assistant webpage or contacting the support team would be a better option. But if not, and you can have a little patience, it's a great way to uncover best practices from all around the world. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more about this topic or how to get started with Tekla Structures? Just check out this video's description for links to our user assistance page, getting started guide, and online campus.